Countess, oh my gosh, what happened?
I guess we'll be serving witches cookies again.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, a good thing they grow back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All kidding aside, folks, we are going to make witches cookies today. We're going to be passing those out at Christoff's offices for Halloween as a nice trick or treat for his office buddies.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright, so first thing we need to do is we're going to take 1 cup of room temperature butter. That's 2 sticks. And we're just going to put it into our bowl here.
Got it.
Perfect.
Okay. So you want me to mash this up a little bit, Countess?
Yeah. It's called creaming. So we're going to cream together butter and half cup of sugar. Cream together.
Okay.
So you're going to mix it together and push the butter and sugar against the side of the bowl for about a good 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and light and fluffy. Alright, so Christoff's made that nice and light and fluffy. Now we're going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is bourbon vanilla. You wouldn't mind creaming that together, please?
Okay.
Perfect. Alright, now we're going to slowly stir in 1 3/4 cups of flour.
You said a slow stir, Countess.
Slow stir, because you don't want to make it poof. Stirring this together, I'm going to throw in a pinch of salt.
Okay.
Okay, so when you see the dough starting to ball up like this, it means you're almost ready. And we're going to add our food coloring next.
Okay.
We're making our witch's fingers green.
But Countess, your fingers aren't green.
I know. But this is on Halloween time.
Ah, okay.
So I've just got some gel food color.
How much are you putting in?
Gel food color is extremely concentrated. So just a little toothpick full will do it.
Wow. And would you like to stir it up so it turns all nice and green?
Sure.
You got it.
So once you can do this with your ball of dough, you know it's ready. Next, we need to make the cookies.
Okay.
So I'm just going to pinch off a little bit. Roll it into a ball first so you can see how much you have. And then the secret to making it look like a finger is just roll it between your fingers while they're slightly separated. And boom, you get a nice knuckly finger.
Wow.
And then I'm going to put it on a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And then what I do is I take a butter knife. And to add just a little bit of realism, I take the back side of the butter knife, the flat side, and I'll just press 3 little lines in each knuckle. So that it looks like the wrinkles
of a finger.
Of a finger. And then we can press in our almond for fingernails.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
1 witch's finger. Now we just need to roll out the rest. And what's nice about this cookie, because it doesn't spread, you can put them all on one sheet.
Oh.
Okay, so to make sure that these cookies stay fingers and not flatten out, you have to put this in the fridge for about half an hour before you bake them. All right, we're going to bake these fingers at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes. So just a side note, you guys can also use jelly beans instead of almonds for the fingernails if you wanted to. I have done a trick or treat with them by using the every flavor jelly beans that you can get typically this time of year. So You get 50-50 shot of whether your flavor is good or bad. But,
Lemon or earwax?
but your office buddies may not be so appreciative. So trick or treat those cookies with caution.
Okay, we've taken our cookies out of the oven. They look great. You can tell that they are set but not browned. They haven't spread, and you can still see a little bit of browning on the very ends. That's okay, but these came out perfect. So what you want to do is you want to let them set for 5 minutes so that they cool before you put them on the tray and enjoy.
Thanks for joining us on today's fun cooking episode. Leave a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw today.
Leave a comment if you have any other baking recipes you'd like us to try.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab.
And be like the bats in the belfry and click that bell so you always get notified.
All right, thanks for joining us in the lab. We'll see you here again next time. Bye.
Happy Halloween, mortals.